This video tutorial I will cover how to inject array of string using string dependency injection by setter method. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and fruits array. Fruits array is a string array. And here I have defined setter and getter methods for these two properties. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring dependency injection by setter method. Property element invokes the setter method. In this case, name is shop name and value is fruit mart. So set shop name method will be called by Spring container and shop name will be set as fruit mart. In this case, name is fruit array. So set fruit array method will be called by Spring container and fruit array will be set as apple, pineapple and orange. Array element is used to define the array. What object to instantiate, what object to configure and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example we have specified fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring dependency injection by setter method. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates a fruit shop object, configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. These two setter methods are called by Spring container and fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart and fruits array contains apple, pineapple and orange.